Today in this session, we are going to discuss about the blaze meter, and I will show you that with the help of blaze meter, we can record anything, any flow on my web browser. And what is the benefit is that if you are doing any action on your web browser, means you are accessing any web application, and you have used the blaze meter plugin or extension with the browser, it will record the script, and you can convert this script into the JMX file, and if you want, convert in the Selenium code also. So that is the benefit here. Okay, let us start for that. So first of all, we are going to do the, you can say, first part of the session, that is set up blaze meter on your Chrome browser. So we are going to set up the blaze meter on the Chrome browser. For that purpose, just open your browser. Okay, so here you can say this is the extension icon. Whenever you have any extension installed on your Chrome, it will be visible here. So we are going to add one more. So let me add, let me type BLA Blaze Meter Chrome extension. So let me click on that. So now you will see that it is showing you option. You can click on this one icon, Chrome Web Store, and it will directly take you to the, you can say, Chrome extension. But I will suggest that you should first of all go to this one Blaze Meter website here, so that I can show you that what is the quality and the feature of the this Chrome extension. Okay, so you can go with this link also, but I am clicking on this link. So when I click on this link, you will see that it is clearly saying that Blaze Meter Chrome extension record JMeter Selenium or synchronize JMeter and the Selenium. So this is the benefit that with the help of Blaze Meter Chrome extension, you can record your JMeter script, Selenium script, and you can make a synchronization between the JMeter and you can say Selenium also. Second thing is that here you can say the Blaze Meter Chrome extension is a free tool. Okay, it is a free tools that enable you to record, upload, and run a script for your web application. It means if you want to create, run your scripts for your, it can be for your performance testing, can be your for functional testing, so you can use it, okay, for your web application. Now you can say that here Chrome extension supports recording GMX, that is the file extension of the JMeter file, JSON and YML. In this form it generates, and for running it on JMeter, Taurus, Blaze Meter, and you can say as well as on different type of, you can say, things you can run it. Okay, now here if you want, you can go into the detail also, like running with JMeter, something like that, but here I can say I'm focusing on the JMeter part. So simply you can click on this one, Blaze Meter Chrome extension, using Blaze Meter Chrome extension. Click on that. So it will take you the frequently asked question. If you have any question, you can read it from here. And now we are going to stall it. So for stalling, you can say here, simply you can click on this icon, Blaze Meter Chrome extension. Click on that. When you click on that, it will open the UI for you. This is the, you can say, this is the Chrome extension, and now you have an option to add to Chrome. So simply click on add to Chrome here. Okay, now simply click on add to extension. So it will take little bit time. Okay, so let it complete, let it complete. When it complete, you will able to see a pop-up here, and then yeah, it is doing, it is doing. And now you can say the continuous testing platform has been added to Chrome. Manage your extension by clicking extension in the tools menu. So now you can say, let me simply close it. And now if you go and check this here, you will able to see that this extension is already added here. If you click on that, it will be opened. Okay, now you can use this extension for your, you can say, for recording your any application on your browser. Okay, so this is the, you can say, first part of your, this is the first part of uh, your setup part. This is the first part of your recording script. Okay, and now we will go for the next part of the, you can say, this session, that is record script with Blaze Meter. So I will show you that how you can record a script with the JMeter. So let me open the browser here, and now suppose take the example, we want to record the script for any application. I'm taking the example of this Adisha Tech. This is my own, you can say, my website. This is under development, and yeah, this is under development. So if you want, you can see that my YouTube link is also in the bottom of this page. Okay, you can see, let me show you. This is, you can say, oh, where is that, where is that, where is that? Let me above. Oh, where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Yeah, this one here, you can say let's make automation, so it is under the development. Yeah, but we can use it for our you can say testing purpose. Okay, so what we have to do, simply click on extension and now click on blaze meter. And the blaze meter, when you click on that, you can give any name here for your project. So let me give any name, so I can give any name. Okay, we can do one thing, we can use the same here, JMeter demo application here. Okay, you can give any name here. So now what you have to do, simply you have to click on this start recording button. When you click on the start recording button, it will start recording. Okay, now you can perform the operation on your browser here. So I will simply you can say reload it, and now it means I'm accessing the editor tag. And now we are performing the operation, like we are clicking on about. Okay, now we are clicking on about. You can see that when I'm adding it, the count is you can see increasing. And now I can click on course, then I click on Selenium Java also. When I click on Selenium Java, you can say it just keep on adding the steps here. For you can say now I'm clicking on this module 1, so now you can say add is there. Now again this one, it becomes 6 here, and now we can add it this one also, it becomes 7. So this is enough, okay, for the testing purpose. And now what we have to simply click on this stop recording button. So when you click on a stop recording button, and if it is closed, okay, in that case, simply open it, don't worry. And now you will see the save button will be enabled. Now click on save button. When you click on save button, you will able to see we have option JMeter, JMX, Selenium only, JMeter and Selenium combined only. Okay, so here we can say that I will cover the separate videos for Selenium and JMeter this part. For this in this session, we are covering the only JMeter part. So click on JMeter. When you click on JMeter, you will able to see that domains to include, you can select. So I want to include only the, you can say these tech related whatever operations I perform, I want to select it here. Okay, so now after that, you can simply do one thing. You can simply click on the save button. Now I have clicked on save button. Now it is clicking the script here. Okay, now it is, you can say it is already saved here. Okay, so if you go to the, you can say location here, it is already saved here. So this is, you can say it is saved here. And now this is the second part is completed. Now next step is that how you can import this script and run in your JMeter. Okay, so now we will come to that point. So simply this is my JMeter, and this JMeter it is I have not opened any file here, and I'm not going to create, because I am going to import my generated file and will run it here. So I can do it simply file, and here I can say open, and I need to go to the location. So I will go to the location. Okay, I will go to the location. Where is my location? I will go to the location. So you can say piece in my downloads. In the download, I can select this file and simply click on open. When I click on open, you can say it is opening here, and now it is using all the components. So whenever BlazeMeter install it, you can say record it, it covers all the important it generates all the important things here. Like you can say whenever it has generated this thing, it has generated the HTTP manager, because these things are needed. These you can say header are needed. And in the same way, you can say that it has created a user defined variable. I've already created a video for that. And here you can say that how intelligent BlazeMeter is, that because here in the application, maybe you are going to use the web application domain name multiple times. So it has created the variable base URL, something like that. Okay, so now whenever it is going to use this value, it is going to take the help of this base URL. How we can use the, you can say, variable in our application? For that, I've already created a video on the series, that is user defined variable. You can go to that. Okay, so now you can say it has created so many things here, like you can say HTTP default request here, cache manager, and you can say authorization, cookie manager, cache. So whatever is needed, it has created here. And if you need something, you can keep it as it is. If you want to delete, you can delete any component. Now here you can see that here you can say that we have a thread group also. Now you can see that it has generated this one. So it has generated a script, and it has also needed some constant time, so add it there. Okay, okay, so it will do so many operations are there, whatever is needed. And now simply I will do one thing. Okay, it is already clear. So now it is a view result tree. Okay, so let me add one more, you can say a listener here, that is view result table. Okay, so now why I'm adding it, so I can show you it is running fine or not. So let me go to the thread group. So it is showing you one. Okay, so I can do one thing. Let me do one thing. Let me start with the one. Okay, I can show you that is working fine or not. So let me click on this one table, and now let me run it. So you can say that it is running or not. We can see here, yeah, it is running here. It is, you can say one request is there, now second, and now third request is there. So whatever you can say request you have run, that it has executed. Now you can check here it is working fine or not. So you can go into the visual result, view result review. This is the, you can say, first thing, 200. Okay, it request, and it requests this website about. You can say that I click on the about. So you click on about, then you can say response data. Response data was HTML, so it is showing the HTML code. And if you want to see the header response, you can say that this is a response body. Okay, now this is sample result. If you go to the second part, if you have seen that I have just selected the course of Selenium Java, so it had just hit that request here. You can say that, you can say Adisha text / Selenium Java. So this was the URL. Now it get the data here. You can see that this is the response data, again HTML. These are the headers where, okay. So in this way you can say that it is just trying to hit the, you can say, request, and it is generating it. And here you can say number of samples transaction to something, it is generating a test here. So in simple words, you can say that you can create, you can record it, so it will help you in generating the main structure of your JMeter script. So you don't need to do it one by one, and then according to that you can filter what is needed, what need to modify, something like that. You can just do that thing. Okay. Okay, and one more thing here, I want to tell you that I told you that it has created already the base URL variable. You want, if you want, you can change a meaningful name here, but you can say the beauty here, instead of server IP, it is using the variable name. So that is the beauty. Okay, that is most of the thing it is doing it. Now you can modify it according to you. Okay. And okay, now let me run it with some more data. Okay, so let me hit with the more data. Let me make it 10, and now let me don't make it 10. It is a very huge, so let me make it 5. Let me save it, and now let me clear the data here, and now let me run it. Let's see that how it responds. You can say that when I'm running it 5, it is running the hit request, and you can see it is working fine. So overall, what I want to see here, the advantage of, you can say, advantage of Blaze Meter is that you can record your interaction easily. You don't need to do one thing like normally what happens, that if you directly want to do in the JMeter, you have to create a new project, then one by one you are just capturing the request. Or people take the help of inbuilt, there is a feature in the JMeter that is called HTTP script recorder. Okay, but sometimes we have seen that that also creates some problem in terms of proxy, something like that. So this is a good option for that. Okay, but I will talk about that HTTP recorder in my upcoming sessions also. Okay, so if you have any query regarding this session, you can tell me. If you have any query, you can put in the comment of this video also. Okay, if you have not subscribed my channel, obviously you can subscribe it. Thank you.